And go. Hello, 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 and we are back. That's right. Live, loud, and doing stuff now. It's Tom and it's Hardy, and we've got zesty life hacks coming at ya. And now, for the little guy with the inventions with and the best of intentions, it's Hardy. Hardy, how are you today?
I am a Quarterman. I am good.
What do you mean you're a corner man?
A Quarterman. I mean, I'm not really a Quarterman. It's like when little kids say that they're Batman, but it's a Quarterman. You know, a Quarterman.
Are you saying a corner man or a quarter man?
A Quarterman.
A quarter man. What, like an accord?
No, he's an accordion man.
So he's got some ribs in the middle, and he can stretch. Oh,
yeah,
and
it's super. He doesn't. He like when he falls off like a cliff, he just does that cartoon thing where you like spring when he gets hit. The same thing kind of happens.
So he's essentially the human version of the Slinky dog in Toy Story.
Yeah, and he can like stretch up really tall, and all the while he makes his sort of sound. So he's got like a cape that unfolds like a fan, but with two sides of the fan, so it's like an accordion, but it's going out one way, so it's a cape.
Okay, so he's got an accordion cape, and he's an accordion man.
Yeah, a Quarterman.
Accordion man. A quarter man.
Yeah, a Quarterman.
A quarter man.
His teeth do the little note things. My favorite issue is when he goes to the dentist.
He has issues. Of the comic book, a quarter man. Yeah.
But then the dentist turns out to be evil.
Oh no! And he plays. Does he play like an
an
evil tune?
He plays an evil jazz solo.
Oh, on a Quarterman's teeth.
A Quarterman's very angry because a Quarterman only likes polka.
Of course he does.
I mean, jazz is fine, but not to a Quarterman.
I don't think he's a very stealthy superhero. I feel like with the bad guys are doing something.
You don't need to be stealthy when you've got the power of accordion.
I guess not. And other than being able to like stretch down long things, or indeed maybe up and grab the top of a building and stretch up to the top of the building, what else can a Quarterman do?
Well, he can also stretch down.
Oh, he can squash right down.
Yeah, so he can
Limbo Champion.
Yep, Limbo Champion, and can get into the kids' fun zone at McDonald's.
Okay. He can get into the kids' fun zone at McDonald's.
Another one of my favorite issues.
A Quarterman gets in for free because he looks like a toddler. I'm only little.
Yeah, but then
what?
The McDonald's people turn out to be evil.
They might be anyway.
Of course.
Usually they're just kids though, just teenagers working there.
But they don't play polka.
Hey, a Quarterman's pretty cool, but do you have a hack for today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what is it?
So lately I've been having a teeny bit of the sniffles.
Okay, yeah. It's nothing more serious than the seasonal cold.
Yes.
Yes, all right.
Only the sniffles.
Yep.
I've been completely fine.
Except for?
Everything's been fine.
Everything's been fine. Oh, so you don't have a cold?
Well.
Yeah, you got the sniffles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like fine minus sniffles.
Okay. So there's only...
For all you math lovers, it's fine minus sniffles. So I have seen tissue boxes many a time.
Lots of tissue boxes around the house, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And has that
Because
inspired you then?
Yes, it has.
Oh, good.
Have you ever needed to know the date? Or have you ever had a calendar?
I did actually need to know the date today. I was figuring something out, and I needed to know what day it was, and I had to refer to a calendar.
Well, this will be... Was it my jokes calendar?
No, it wasn't your jokes calendar. I just used the one on my phone.
Well, you won't need phones with this with this life hack.
Okay.
So what you do is you get after you've used all the tissues in a box, you get the box, right? You then you get a bunch of like really light origami sort of paper, that sort of stuff, like almost napkins, but not the same
Are you talking like card? They need to sort of stand up on their own, but like...
No, they don't. Instead, they need to be really kind of flexible and flimsy like tissues, but
a little bit firmer than tissues.
But yeah, you can write on them.
Yeah, okay.
And what you do is you go through maybe the month and you write down on the tissues each number, and then you fold them up and you put them in the tissue box. So then you go, oh, another beautiful morning. And you pull it out. And I mean, you could even wipe your nose with it if you had the sniffles.
Okay.
And then you know what day it is.
This could be a thing. So, day of the month tissue box.
Yeah.
It'd be a small tissue because usually like there's a few hundred. Or you could do a whole year in a tissue box.
365.
You could. Yeah, that's even a small tissue box because usually there's like a couple of hundred, like 500 in a tissue box. So you could just sell the tissues with numbers on them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they just start different months. You just have them on the shelves with the start the different months.
Maybe different colours even.
Yeah, and like so if you're a once a day nose blower, this is the thing. You could only blow your nose once a day, but you could pull it out, look at the day and go, oh, great, and then throw it away.
When you need to know the date, but you've also got the sniffles.
Okay.
Calendar
tissues.
By Jandel.
Jandel, she's a busy lady.
Yes, she
Calendar
is.
tissues and flip thongs.
Yep.
And sports bags.
Yep.
No, she's not into the sports bag.
That's very DIY, one of the hacks. Most of them are. But
yeah. What else could you put on the tissues other than days?
Well, I was thinking originally like words of encouragement, especially
like you're not that sick. or
you'll probably
you just whip one out. You'll be fine.
You'll probably go to school tomorrow. Try some chicken noodle soup.
Yeah. Oh, health advice on tissues. That's a good one.
Don't Google your illness.
Seriously, don't Google your illness.
No, don't do it.
All right. And don't take health advice from us. But you know what? I think the tissues are a decent product.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I think maybe that's something we should look into.
Yeah.
Along with Flip Thongs by Jandel and several of the other things I'll have to go back and watch episodes about.
Yes.
Yes. Well, I like it. And I don't think that's a bad one back from our little break of a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
We're sorry. We're sorry, everybody. We missed you a lot. But if you like what we do and you want us to keep doing it and maybe do it on a regular basis where nothing stops us from being here, why don't you throw us a like or a follow or read a review or rate a review or the best thing, share this with friends. Don't share colds, though. Cover up, social distance.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. And with that, I think we'll end the show. I'm going to say it. You ready?
Are you?
Yeah. Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
This song was improvised. Just kidding, I've got it written down underneath my toes. And the little thing that I got, it's a script. You cannot see it on YouTube, but still check out our YouTube. This is now a YouTube plug. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm gonna fall out of my chair. Ah!
They can see that you didn't do that.
Hello. I'm just letting you people of the universe know that stars are good and you can give up to 5, which would be good if you gave up to 5. But if you don't want to do that, or if you want to do something more, you can also review, which is good. And we might even get featured or something. Goodbye.